In the bustling world of today, the presence of robots among us is no longer confined to the pages of science fiction. The advancements in technology have propelled us into a new era, where automation touches nearly every aspect of our lives. Welcome to Robots Among Us, the future of automation. Imagine waking up to a cup of coffee brewed precisely to your liking, thanks to your kitchen robot. From automated vacuum cleaners silently working away, to smart fridges helping with your grocery list, robots have seamlessly integrated into our daily routines. But this is just the beginning. In the workplace, automation is reshaping industries across the globe. Manufacturing has long relied on robotic arms to enhance precision and efficiency. Today, sectors like healthcare, agriculture, and even retail are harnessing the power of automation. Robots are assisting in surgeries, performing tasks with unparalleled accuracy, and even harvesting crops, ensuring optimum yield and minimal waste. Beyond these practical uses, robots are venturing into uncharted territories. In the realm of exploration, they are our pioneers, diving into the deepest oceans and roaming distant planets, gathering data that human explorers once risked their lives to obtain. Their tireless, unwavering efforts open new doors to understanding our universe. But with great power comes great responsibility. As automation advances, questions arise about employment and the ethics of reliance on machines. It's crucial to strike a balance, ensuring that technology complements human endeavor rather than replaces it. Education and skill development are key in adapting to this changing landscape, preparing future generations for a robot-enhanced world. As we look to the horizon, the future is not one of domination by machines, but a harmonious coexistence. Robots, with their efficiency and adaptability, promise a world where mundane tasks are simplified, allowing humanity to focus on creativity, innovation, and connection. Join us on this fascinating journey into a world where robots are not just tools, but partners in progress. The future of automation holds limitless potential, limited only by our imagination and our willingness to embrace the change. Thank you for watching Robots Among Us, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the evolving world of technology.